It's newly built and you will get to see it now. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Traventure. This is Pranjal again, and today I'm somewhere a very beautiful place. It's newly built and you will get to see it now. Okay, so this is the statue you can see. It's the statue of Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay ji, and it is almost 63 meters high. 63, yeah. And it's a very beautiful park. It's newly built, it's still under construction, so I'll get you the tour of this park now. And this is situated on the in the place named Padao, and it is in between two cities, the one which is named over Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay, that is the Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay junction, and another city is Varanasi. So it is almost from the junction, Varanasi junction, almost 10 to 15 kilometers. So let's have a tour. Okay, a small correction. I think I just said 63 feet, but it's actually 63 meters. That is very high, sorry. It's just 63 feet, so almost 20 meters high. So this statue is 20 meters high, and for reference you will get to see me standing there, so you can compare how high it is as compared to a normal human. I'm 5'7", so let's see. तीन टिकट प्रांजल PRANJL. कर सकते ना. is a small stage kind of place. As you can see, it's a small stage and there is sitting place all around. So I think they're planning for some stage and something kind of here, and people can sit all around here. So we have a good place like this, and I'll show you. They are planning for the water show also, so that is going to be there. It's still under construction, it's not working now, and they are adjusting many lights here, lights all around, because you can see they have whole history of Deendayal and things related to him here. So this is the picture. It is written Deendayal Upadhyay. He was born in 1916, died in 1968 here in Mughalsarai, which is now named over him as Deendayal Upadhyay Junction. पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय एक ऐसे देशभक्त संगठक पत्रकार और कर लेते। क्या हुआ? कब तक बनेगा कुछ पता है?
अभी तो नहीं पता,
कुछ नहीं पता कब तक, ये कब तक स्टार्ट होगा ये सब पानी वाला और ये सब?
ये पानी वाला सर अभी तो कोई इसका वो नहीं है।
अच्छा
हाँ,
मतलब अभी चल ही रहा है काम?
अभी चल रहा है, जैसे उधर का भी ये कुछ हो गए।
हाँ,
जब
यहाँ पे फाउंटेन लगेगा।
जी हाँ।
और इसके पीछे
ऐसे ये फुहारा जैसे है।
हाँ
ठीक है ना, इधर से पानी निकलेगा, इधर आएगा, उधर जाएगा।
अच्छा अच्छा, ये ऊपर से ऐसे बहेगा?
ऊपर से पानी इधर उधर दोनों तरफ।
अच्छा अच्छा,
ये नहर बनी है ये वाला।
ओके।
तो ये पानी उसके अंदर।
ओ, ये पानी इधर से होते हुए उसके होते हुए उसके अंदर जाएगा?
उसका पानी
रिटर्न होकर इसमें आएगा। अच्छा,
इसका फिल्टर इसके अंदर लगा,
वहाँ वाटर फिल्टर
जो लाइट रही है।
अच्छा, यहाँ लाइट भी जलती है। So we have this we have a fountain here. So from the fountain the water will come and it will go like this to the statue, and from the statue the water will come back here, I think through some system. And they have filtered there, so the water will get purified and then it will come. So this one is still under construction. You see we have lights here. Oh, I hope I can get you a tour when the whole thing is working in full fledged. So the water will be here. It will go from this side to another side and from there to the statue.